Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell Salik Shares Easy Guide. Start by confirming your brokerage supports UAE equities and that your KYC is current. Next, review current market prices and recent volume to pick an appropriate sell strategy. Choose between a market order for speed or a limit order to control price. Prepare for settlement cycles, possible fees, and tax considerations so you avoid surprises. Confirm the exact number of Salik shares you own and any restrictions that apply. Check for pending dividends or corporate events that might affect execution timing. Choose your order type, set a clear target price, and decide whether to use stop loss or take profit levels. Review fees and settlement timing to ensure cash flow meets obligations. Communicate with your broker if you expect unusual market activity or need assistance. In this video, I will explain how to sell Salik Shares Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great during long trading commutes. It's small but refreshes the drive. If you're finding this content helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When ready, submit your sell order through your trading platform or broker. If speed matters, use a market order. If price matters, use a limit order and be patient. Watch market depth and recent trades to anticipate fills and adjust or cancel orders as needed. After execution, check your trade confirmation and settlement date and update your portfolio records. Reassess your strategy for reinvestment or cash management after proceeds arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.